Civil Engineering Academy. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Civil Engineering Academy. Today we are solving a problem from construction, and it says, what is the duration of the following project? So we're given a table here of activities, durations, and what they're preceded by. So the first thing I'm going to do, and if you're not familiar with all this, turn to the Civil Engineering Reference Manual, and Chapter 85. Chapter 85 goes over scheduling for project management. And so the first thing I'm going to do is draw this out, basically. So here's activity A, and I'll write the activity and the duration above it. So we know this duration is 5 days, and nothing is preceded by it. If we go to B, it says it is preceded by A. So we're going to go to B and draw something like this. Here's B. And C is preceded by A. So let's go to C. And then D is preceded by B and C. Here's D. And then you've got E is preceded by C. And then you've got F is preceded by D. Just drawing this out. G is preceded by D and E. D and E. H is preceded by E. H is preceded by E. And I is preceded by all three, F, G, and H. Here is I, the end of this project. Okay, so let's go ahead and write the durations above each one of these. So this was 4, this was 5, this was 3, this is 4, this is 2, 5, and 4, 2, 5, and 4, and I was 3. Okay, so when it's asking for the duration of the project, they're asking for the critical path, because that is the longest path that it takes, which is going to be the duration of the project. So it's just a tricky way of doing that. So let's look at all these different routes and see which one adds up to take the longest. And I can tell right off the bat, if we go from A, C, E, I'm just going to choose a route that looks long. So A, C, E, G, I. A, C, E, G, I. A, C, E, G, I. That adds up to 22. Let's see if anything else beats that. Let's look at A, C, that's 10. D is 13. To G, 18. To I, that's 21. So A, C, D, G, I is 21. A, C, D, G, I. And I think anything else will not beat that. So A, C, E, H, I, that's 10, 14. That's 18, 21. So you can see that nothing here is going to beat that. 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is the longest that the project's going to take. That is the duration. So the answer to this guy is D. So I hope that helped you out. This was really just a tricky way of asking what the critical path is. So get familiar with them asking that in different ways and knowing how to solve for the critical path. So I hope that helped you out. Head to Civil Engineering Academy for more tips and tricks. Thanks, bye.